Joy Ma Bogla Mukhi Devir Joy. Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Bigyan. By the grace of Ma Bogla Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. However, without further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment. It's a question and remedial measure. Today 14th September 2020. So let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. Home users can purchase item. Wrong thoughts are formed in your mind. There may be a problem in the working field. Married people should keep a good behavior. Heart patient may be health sensitivity, and there is a remedy for you. Throw the milk into the floating water. Then let's talk about the second terrace in the zodiac. Your right in the job will increase. Some good news can be found will live up to the expectation of other. Decision should be taken judiciously. Chance to having a business trip are being made today. People would like to consult you and there is a remedy for you. Refrain from pretending to love. Then let's talk about Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. Will take any decision regarding the future. The problem will be due to lack of immediate benefit. Do not worry unnecessary. Stay away from a risky task. There are a chance of increasing a business. Will be concerned about your honor. And there is a remedy for you. Abandon adultery. Then let's talk about Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. New relationship may be begun today in your life. Marital happiness will increase. Take care of your spouse health. Contact with political people will increase. The dream of your house can be realized today, and there is a remedy for you. You always work with the advice of other. Then let's talk about Leo, the fifth sign of the zodiac. Court case can be troublesome. Unnecessary issue may ensue. People of evil nature will try to harm you. Work will not be completed on time. Control your expenses. Money will be spent on medical issues or medicines. And there is a remedy for you. Give your life partner love, affection and respect. Then let's talk about the sixth sign of the zodiac, Virgo. Your relationship in the office will be strong. Your mind will be full of enthusiasm and happiness. People will praise you. Can go to lunch with your friend. Time is good for the students. We will study to increase our knowledge. And there is a remedy for you. Put a piece of hot gold in the milk and drink it. Then let's talk about the seventh sign of the zodiac, Libra. New guests can come to the house. So if your life partner is pregnant, then it's a very good news in your house. There will be fight in the body due to running race. A feeling of jealousy will arise in the mind. Some particular situation may occur. Sudden profit and loss total will be created. And there is a remedy for you. Avoid alcohol and non-vegetarian foods. Then let's talk about Scorpio, the eighth sign of the zodiac. Can go to the church with your parents, that will be very good for your life. You will take a lot of interest in worship. A program to go abroad can also be made. Government work will be hampered. You will feel some change in the office environment. Higher studies will take your mind, and there is a remedy for you. Pour silver and honey while building the house terrace. Then let's talk about Sagittarius, the ninth sign of the zodiac. There may be a quarrel with the partners. You will be naturally interested in mystical topic. Your expenses will increase in an attempt to show off. Technology problem may occur. There will be a possible of a loss in iron business, and there is a remedy for you. Clean your genitals with yogurt. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. Good success will come in the works. Will spend enjoyable time with a spouse. Anyone in the family can make a big decision, and a Mangalic function may include. The day is very good for people associated with business consultancy, and there is a remedy for you. A good relationship with a woman with one eye or black will be beneficial for you. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. You should avoid lending transactions. Your confidence may be weak. The body will experience pain and suffering. Disputes can cause trouble. Examination result may be in your favor. Will insist on straightening post task, and there is a remedy for you. You should not leave any work unfinished. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign of is Pisces. You will get a good result in the later part of the day. Love for spouse will increase. The work you do will be successful. You will get a very good support in the work field. Can do big things. Do not be hasty when expressing your feelings. And there is a remedy for you. Serve any motherly woman as possible by you. Anyway, this was the judgment of Arise to Peace from today's match. Her question and remedial action. I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagola Devi like every day. Let Hey Ma keep everyone well and keep them healthy, and create a situation so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy. I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measure that can apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike, and I will say again, this is a one-day video. So if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. If you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion and make thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new in this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the video that I have provided for your benefit, and you will definitely benefit from my channel. Maybe I am here today, I'll be back at the right time tomorrow. I will tell you about the precautionary and remedically measure to judge pieces from the mess in front of you. Thanks to all for the watching the video, and goodbye.